Hey guys, welcome back to Nano Edge. Today we will highlight another Kenotek product called Glass Cleaner. Visibility is important when driving. Smudges, streaks, and smears can cause distractions and jeopardize your safety and the safety of your passengers. Kenotek's Glass Cleaner is quick and easy to use and cleans better than other glass cleaners. It's truly a versatile product and can also be used to clean mirrors, plastic, rubber, and chrome. Just spray the product on the surface and wipe clean with a fluff-free cloth or paper. It cleans without smearing and safely removes bugs, road grime, freshwater spots, and even removes nicotine smoker's film and air conditioning deposits efficiently. Kentotek Glass Cleaner is ammonia-free, making it safe to use on all windows, including those with tints. It's a great tool to have in your detailing arsenal for both professional and non-professional detailers and drivers.